Hey, if you got to the video, today I'm going to be making a cake for my friend's birthday. And so pretty much what I'm going to be doing is making the same vanilla cake recipe, but adding in some rainbow sprinkles and she has her funfetti. And I'm also going to be using buttercream frosting instead of cream cheese frosting, but I'm still going to fill it with some sprinkles. So I'll show you the sprinkles. So I'm going to use these sprinkles to fill it instead, because I'm gonna make it like a frozen themed cake because she likes frozen too a lot. But yeah, so I'm gonna first start out with the vanilla cake recipe. But since the butter is still getting to room temperature, I'm gonna start out with the dry ingredients. So I'm gonna have to combine the flour, baking powder, and salt. So yeah. So now that I have all the things I need, I'm going to start out with the flour, and then the baking soda, and then the salt, and put it all into this bowl, and then combine it all together. Combine together all of my dry ingredients, and now I'm going to just set to the side and just wait for the butter to get to room temperature. So now the butter is room temperature, and I'm going to add it into this bowl and heat it with the oxygen mixture and the sugar. Mixing together the butter and the sugar, making it fluffy, and now I'm going to start adding in one large egg, one at a time, but there's 3, so let's crack the first egg. I'm gonna do this 3 more times, but I got double yolk. So now we're gonna mix the double yolk. Maybe this is like a double yolk carton. So what the batter looks like so far. But now I'm going to add in the milk and the vanilla aside, so later I can transfer these into this bowl. So now I'm going to add in this and then that, and just keep alternating them until I have my full batter. So let's get going on. The cake base, time to make it into a funfetti cake in 3. And now I have the finished cake for the oven, and so I'm going to now put it into the pan and place it into the oven so I can bake, and then go into the refrigerator and so I can frost it. Currently the cakes are baking, and then in 8 minutes I'm going to have to turn it around, and then I'm going to do the other 2 cakes and then the other 2 cakes. So yeah. Good morning, guys. Yesterday I made the cakes and I put them into the refrigerator, so right now I'm going to take them out. So I made all 6 layers yesterday, and today I'm going to decorate and frost them.